Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino, looking in on Nikola Corporation. Continued pull back today. So you had a gap down, and then it got trapped between the rotation zones. So you can see here, drifting sideways, finding resistance at the collapsing upper end of the rotation zone, finding support at the lower end of the rotation zone, and the 37.5% retracement. Really nice support level coming in together. So when you see especially for new members that haven't been following us for a long time or just here for the NKLA analysis, when you have multiple things line up like a rotation zone, the bottom, this blue moving average, and the retracement level, the 37.5% retracement, that's where it just reinforces that level and we start watching for key support. So it held there, held there, held there. Now it just, at the end of the day, closed below it. So now we're going to go to the next higher time frame, the 4 hour. So the rotation zone tomorrow coming in at 63, that's going to be the first level of minor support. Then again, the 50% retracement, which was already tested a couple days ago, which is 57 essentially. And then the major support now coming in at just below 50, about 48.50 to 49. So that's going to be your major support just in front of the 62% retracement. Those are all your levels to the downside. To the upside, I just see how it also traded between, we have this resistance GAN, that's where it opened. On an upside move, if it gets above, especially this little resistance shelf, see right here, these 4 bars, and we watch the candle bodies to help determine the shelf levels, 70. So if it starts getting above 70, we'll be targeting 75, 31, so essentially 75. Then we'll have this gap fill, and gaps are like magnets. They don't always have to fill, especially on a big retracement, but if it does start getting above 75, we'll be watching for the gap fill, which would take us to the closing price of 79.58. Then above there, 84.48, so 84.50. Then we already covered those additional levels yesterday. Now, to the downside, you can also, because we started breaking down, do your GAN projections coming down. So the minor levels, should we break below, especially that 63 level, we'll look at 62 and 59, but those are minor levels right in front of the 56. These are more day trading, like intraday, shorter term levels. Let's take a look at that daily chart. So again, still, we're just dropped out of very overbought condition. Daily rotation zone, which we could easily come back in contact with, is 53. And then major support, we still have this gap back here. Major support should just keep collapsing because things that go up vertically tend to come down vertically. We don't know if this moves over. It never triggered a major sell signal. It just triggered a retracement. But your major support signal, should it come down, or your major support level is about 38.50. So we have for you on Nikola Corporation, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.